For this lehenga, do the base coat. I'm doing a cream color base coat, and then take a marker or sketch pen of any color, whatever print you like. So I'm taking brown color over here, and with that I'm drawing a particular kind of print which is totally random, which is my choice. If you have any other design, you can make it your own way. So here we are making bale design. This I will continue in lower half of the lehenga. As you can see, I'll make a line, make a distance marked, so that we will be very clear till how much area we have to make this print. So once this is done, do another part of the print. This lehenga will all fully printed, will be fully done with this kind of print texture. So I'm putting this dotted texture over here. As this lehenga involves some kind of embroidery also, so we have to give that kind of texture. That's why we are putting dotted texture somewhere. You can make your own design, it's totally optional. Keep doing this, don't change the design again and again. Keep a reference and do it very carefully. Sketch pen, or you can use gel pen, micro tip pen for this. I'm using marker over here. If you are okay with it, you can also do this drawing with brush also. If you are good in handling watercolor, you can do it with brush as well. But for quick and speedy art, we recommend this markers or dry colors. Water soluble pencil color are not recommendable for this, as after this we have to do rendering and give fold effect, which we will give with a watercolor. So don't apply dry colors for it, otherwise after applying watercolor it will spread and your print will get messed. So don't apply that. Better to use marker or sketch pen only. Do this everywhere, and again, design is totally optional. Whatever you want to make, do it your way. If you have any particular design in your head, or you are copying it from anywhere, once the print part is done, the art is drawn, we come on to folds. That is very natural in lehenga. It looks graceful with folds only, so I'm using cream color watercolor on it. And don't spread it much. Once it gets dry, use mustard color to give more depth. Mustard dry color or Stedler. You can see a beautiful look is coming. Give as many folds as you can. After that, with darker brown color, apply the same and keep smudging it. Don't give line texture, keep smudging it. Depth of lehenga is very important. As you can see, we have shown many folds appearing, so it is obvious this one fold is appearing over another, so shadow effect is very necessary in this kind of case. And folds are coming from the above part, from the upward part of the lehenga, so don't miss that. Create great shadows and see how nicer your lehenga is looking now. Keep doing this, and we have to do the same part in our dupatta as well as blouse. I'm giving finishing in the bottom part. Do the same, give shadows with the Stedler, like in the shoulder, armpit, below bust. It is quite necessary to give shadow effects. Once it is done, let's smudge it with wet brush. I'm not using much water. You can clearly see I have just wet my brush, and then I'm spreading and applying this brush over the folds given. so that our stedler gets smooth. The stedler strokes are quite rough right now, so to make it smooth, to make it look very nicer and soft to our eyes, we are applying this wet brush over it. So now our strokes, our folds are going to look very soft and light. You can see a nice effect and a very beautiful effect of folds have been created. Now we will add stones over it, stone effect, yes, and for that I'm applying yellow color. After that I'll apply white color on the print area to make it look quite heavy and embroidered. Yellow part is done. Now apply white acrylic and then do the body part. You can do the skin tone as per your choice. This is my stylized figure, so I've done it black. Do try this lehenga and give your reviews in comment section.